Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends tutorial again, full guide. Start by logging in, selecting the tutorial and drilling movement, abilities, and item basics immediately. Concentrate on last-hitting minions and practicing simple combos in controlled bot games. Build map awareness by checking the minimap often and placing basic wards. Repeat these drills until positioning, cooldown tracking, and objective control feel reliable and second nature. Start with core mechanics you will use every game and focus on a few essentials each session. Learn last hitting to secure gold, basic ability combos, and when to trade with opponents. Practice positioning to avoid ganks and use the minimap constantly to track enemies and objectives. Work on ward placement and cooldown management so you can control fights. Stay patient and focus on learning. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. On another note, quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum boosts your clean game with smart mapping, voice control, and powerful suction so you spend less time cleaning and more time practicing. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if it helps. Now let's get back to the video. Pick a role that fits your strengths and focus on it early to accelerate progress. Learn two champions deeply so you understand matchups, power spikes, and item timings. Rotate practice between normals, bot games, and custom drills to reinforce mechanics and decision-making. Review replays to spot repeated mistakes, adjust builds, and refine warding spots. Take breaks to avoid tilt and keep improvement steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.